This is all about possibility. The study of possibility is a study of what might be rather than a mere description of what is. So the first thing I want you to consider is why we're so sure we can't improve vision beyond 2020. Think ourselves thin. Reverse virtually all brain damage. We need to free ourselves from constricting mindsets and the limits they place on our health. Possibility opens up when we recognize the important difference between uncontrollable and indeterminate. There is no science that can prove that something is uncontrollable. It cannot be proven. All it can say is that thus far it's indeterminate, which is very important because when you want to try something, if you're sure you can't do it, then what would be the sense of trying it? And trying is going to be the key here, and we'll talk about. What you also need to understand is that all research gives us are probabilities. And what happens is that these probabilities get passed along in magazines, television, speakers, whatever, passed along as absolutes. Now, what I want us to do is to learn how to question those absolutes and to say, well, how do we know that that's the case? How do we know that we can't? I'm going to show you some studies that I think may surprise you. But the first thing is just to tell you where a lot of this came from for me. I was at this horse event, and this person asked me would I watch his horse because he wanted to get his horse a hot dog. I'm Harvard, Yale all the way through, but I'm a nice person, so just to myself I say, what is he, crazy? Horses are herbivorous. They don't eat meat. He comes back with the hot dog, and the horse ate it. And I love being wrong. And then I thought, yeah, what does it mean horses don't eat meat? How many horses were studied? How much meat was mixed with how much grain? How large were the horses? How hungry were the horses, and so on. And these are the hidden decisions that if we vary some of these parameters, we may find that lots of the things that we think can't be, possibly can be.